As our boat glides gently along the serene Madu River, you will be surrounded by breathtaking greenery and a diverse array of wildlife. Colorful birds sing and perch above. Playful monkeys swing effortlessly through the trees, and if you're lucky, a shy crocodile may be spotted resting quietly along the banks. Every turn of the river reveals new surprises, a reflection of the lush landscape mirrored perfectly in the calm waters. Our journey takes you deep into the famous mangrove caves, where sunlight dances on the water, casting intricate patterns and revealing centuries of natural history. These caves are home to unique flora and fauna, and our experienced guides will share fascinating insights into the rare species that inhabit this ecosystem, along with captivating stories about the local communities who have thrived along these waters for generations. Take your time to enjoy the peaceful ambiance, listen to the gentle sounds of nature, and capture photographs to treasure forever. Along the way, we will visit small islands dotted with quaint temples, interact with local communities, and witness traditional ways of life, adding a rich cultural dimension to your adventure. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, a photography lover, or simply looking for a tranquil escape, this boat safari offers something truly magical for everyone. Join MySL Travel for an unforgettable Madu River Mangrove Cave boat safari. All contact details and booking information are provided in the description below. Let us guide you through this unique natural wonder and immerse you in the beauty and culture of Sri Lanka. Come experience the magic of Madu River with us, an adventure full of discovery, relaxation, and lifelong memories awaits.